As you know, it was my birthday, Wednesday.
It was.
Which is today, but you're not seeing this till Thursday. So it was my birthday yesterday, and the year before, and the year before, and the year before, and the year before, going on, believe it, well obviously you believe it, 65 today, 65.
Oh man river!
Don't worry, hopefully everybody's gonna get there, not just me and him, Dave. So we thought we'd do a video thanking, as showing you what I've been up to today.
Thanks.
Over the works, and I'm going to add this bit on the end.
The speech.
That's what you're watching.
Oh.
So Dave and me just wants to thank you.
We do, thank you very much.
It's been a long road.
The long
Some good friends,
and
some
winding
bad friends,
road.
but it comes to everybody, I'm afraid. You can't control everything on the planet, you know. Somebody said to me not so long ago, because I said I was having trouble with my live nights. He said, well, get control back, Rob.
I remember that.
Well, I did get control back. That's the way it goes. And Dave, he's the one that drinks. I'm the one who don't drink. And if you noticed on Thursday night, for the clever eye people, I was drinking squash, orange squash, because I thought I'm going to give up drinking and I'll just let Dave drink and I won't drink. And things just don't happen like that, innit? So, going back to, yes, I wanted 14,000 by my birthday. I've come up 200 short. So I've got 800 in 2 months. You know,
Pretty good. Not bad, is it?
everybody, I hear everybody saying subscribers don't count. So subscribers do count, because they've clicked that little subscribe button because they appreciate you. And you know, that does count to me for subscribers.
Appreciation.
I do my best.
Yeah.
The best I can.
He does. I've watched
get
him.
good and I get bad. All right, so
He does.
I know I can't please all the people all the time. Everybody
people all the time
is different, and
It
as
sure
time
is.
goes along, other people are going to find out exactly the same as I found out. Perhaps because I'm more
computer illiterate.
internet born, just about, because I've been doing this for like 15 years. So you know, I've seen the ups and I've seen the downs. I've seen the in-betweens, but you get some good friends, you get some bad friends. That's all I'm going to say, and we'll leave it at that. And
Yeah.
all is well. Don't panic. Just keep going.
On and on.
65.
60.
And you know, you just know there's people out there wishing I was dead.
Yep. I know a few.
You can think all sorts of things if you want to think them, but to wish somebody dead, I think, you know, is one of the saddest things I've heard for a while. You know?
I was watching him, wasn't it? Mary something.
You can't say I'm not a trier, and you definitely can't say I'm not a worker.
No. Fair dues. Well, I stay
that's
on all
about
day.
it. I'd like to thank everybody. Even the bad people. I want to thank the bad people, because it's it just is supposed to be that way. It just makes the balance. You can't have all good, you can't have all bad, you can have a balance, and you know, it's pretty well balanced.
Thank the bad people. Thank the bad people.
So,
Getting soft.
I'm just editing at the same time, so export. I'm editing at the same time so I can put a video on in front of this little speech, this little Queen's speech. Oh, the Queen is out today. No, I'll never be a queen, I'm afraid. And
Ooh,
so
that was loud.
65. I thought about many things. About retiring. I've thought about retiring off the internet, but there's certain people out there who won't let me. So we're just going to take step by step as it comes. I don't know if Dave wants to add anything, because he's sitting quiet, and acting like an idiot, like he used to do.
No, not.
I'll see
I'm
you
actually
tonight, Thursday Night Live, 8 o'clock. All welcome.
I was listening to Mozart.
You know, if it was said the other day on another channel, if you're coming in a clown, you're going to get booted. Well, that's all I've did. This is what I'm getting executed for, because people coming into my room clowning, and I banned them. But it's all right for them to do it, but it's not all right for me to do it. So you see, there's always two sides, and I'm not saying my side is right. What I'm saying now is I'm happy as I am. I'm going to stay as I am, and we'll take it from there. See what happens. Okay.
That's good. That's good
I'm going
advice.
to carry on editing, and we'll let Dick Brain over there do whatever he wants to do. Okay.
Dick Brain. I'm actually listening to Mozart because I like Mozart, you know, and strange type of music, but I can hear him at the same time rattling on there. It's true what they say, and fair dues. What he said is pretty down the line. You can't get good without bad. So shut up.
You know, gonna
I'm off.
that off. Okay.
I'm off. I've had enough. Thank you.
What's it like, Si?
Quite heavy, pal.
Is it? Okay, I'll pretend I'm helping.
Hiyo. Pork scratchings. For some reason, I don't know why, you can see me. The man I hate in a very strange way. My son, you all know Robert, just walked in with this. We're thinking, you know, we was going out tonight, but well, we are, maybe, I don't know yet. But Vince has sent me this. And some pork scratchings. And some pork scratchings. So, Vince, the man I hate in a very strange way. What can I say? You know I don't hate you. What can I say? The man is absolutely out of control. Out of control. Unforgettable. Unforgettably a nice person. I honestly don't think that man got a bad bone in his body. He has his little rant, but we all have a little rant. But so it's my birthday, and I got to drink this today. Thank you, when I was squeaky. Thank you, Vince. You're unforgettable. You always will be unforgettable. I can't add nothing more to that, because I just, you know, I hate people doing this sort of thing to me. Because you can actually, this shows you that there is nice people out there as well as, you know, bad people. But we all know. We all know. Thank you, Vince. And apparently there's a parcel due any time of Wayne Ellis. Why do you do these things? And Alan Guthrie just did a video about me. He's sending me a plaque, but he did a video. So that's another video about me. A nice one. I think I'll go lay down.
This is a song for someone special. This is my song for you. Beautiful memory of this special moment. Years will passing through. Happy birthday